I'm gonna show you how to play your Nintendo DS, guys. Alright, this is our new video we're uploading today. This is our new DS. Just bought it from GameStop. It's gonna be a fun little game we're gonna do today. We can just get our not generic camera and just here's our screen. The bottom screen. Alright guys, so I'm gonna play it. You gotta get your I don't know what game, but you gotta put it in there. Yes, I'm gonna play my game. You got whatever this thing is, you go. That's how you play your game, guys. And what you gotta do now is you gotta get your buckets of nails. You gotta find a nail. See, a nail right there. Grab your handy dandy nail. And what you gonna do with that nail? It's life changing. Okay, life changing. Life changing. Get your screen, get your nail, just go. Ooh, that no scratch. Need to do this. The distance go. Put a crack in my screen. I'm triggered now. I'm triggered like Mr. Bonder. I'm gonna show you how to fix your DS now. Get your console. Oh, that's wrong screen. You get your console. You stick it in the hole. Do exactly as I follow, guys. Follow me there. Follow me there, guys. You gotta follow me there. While I'm fixing the DS. You grab this thing up here, and you just put it in here, guys. Up in there. So you just get your hands and go, nap, 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 nap. Doesn't want to fucking work. So how do you feel about that? You grab this. So you put it up in there. And boom. Boom. That's how you play with DS. That's how you play with DS. See guys? New DS. Works fine.